Hello, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Jada Kingdom is reaping Billboard success. The heavy DJ has landed her first Billboard entry with a track On My Way, a collaboration with Afrobeat artist Scripted. The remix is currently number 3 on the Billboard digital charts. The song, released on February 25, has also debuted on the Billboard US Afrobeat Songs chart at number 21. The track is produced by A-Style Alive with exclusive license from Alive Enterprise.
Got me high as a god, I'm on my way.
Come here so immediately. This is an emergency. I'm most certain that I'm ready. You're my person, you are my baby. Meet me by my telly. Just drop the pin, me a chuck up on the celly. No make no detour, cause me we answer.
Jada is signed to US label Republic Records. Now last year, she saw success with Speaking Tongues, a collaboration with John Legend featured on his album Legend, and released her EP New Motions. Now still on some Billboard digital charts news, Rima and Selena Gomez's remix of the mega crossover single Calm Down is still number 1 after 12 weeks. The Reed Edwards sees his entry on the UK singles chart. His remix for the song Beautiful Day with young singer Rashawn and UK artist Prince. The track has garnered much attention since a clip of Rashawn at 10 years old went viral. Now this led to both Rashawn and Jermaine signing with Sony Music UK in February. And of course, the remix followed with a 3. Thank you for watching.